Hello and welcome to our in-depth walkthrough of the NB119 Pro Belief neckband. This gadget will change the way you listen to music forever, thanks to its incredible capabilities and user-friendly design. To turn it on, simply hold down the power button for an extended period of time. It's as simple as pressing a button to access the device's myriad capabilities. How do you pause or play music? To begin listening to your preferred music, simply click the play or pause button briefly. Press the plus or minus buttons to increase or decrease the volume. It is simple to determine your ideal sound level. You can change songs smoothly by long pressing the plus button to begin the next song in your playlist, and the audio will shift to the new song without pausing. By pressing down the minus button for a long time, the neckband allows you to quickly go back to the previous song and relive your favorite musical moments, and you still have control over your calls. Makes it simple to take incoming calls by simply tapping the power button to end a call. All it takes is a quick push on the power button. These neckbands are a game changer because to their long battery life, strong sound, and easy functions. Get your pair today to improve your listening experience. The NB119 Pro Belief comes in a range of vibrant colors, allowing you to show off your sense of style while listening to your favorite music. That USB cables are not provided by us. Now that you have the information, utilize the NB119 Pro Belief neckband to totally immerse yourself in the world of beautiful music. Improve your listening skills right now.